This week, Yana will announce exciting news on ASCLs in Scoreboard.
Hi there, sports fans! Yana Dormitorio is here once again, your favorite lady jock. I'm back with loads of exciting news from the sports planet. Do you remember those handsome and agile ball kickers composed of mixed breed of nationalities, yet wearing our national emblem? That's right, sports fans, they are the Philippine ASCLs, the team being chased and idolized by Filipino fans and is now the #1 football team in Southeast Asia. Wow, that's so cool. Good job, ASCLs. This is the best ever football standing since the country joined the league. According to the International Football Federation, or FIFA, the ASCLs ranks at number 137 in the world while emerging as the new #1 football nation in Southeast Asia. With this new position, the Philippines also zoomed to the top among ASEAN nations, bumping off erstwhile leader Thailand and pacing Myanmar, Vietnam, and reigning AFF Suzuki Cup champion Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Laos, Brunei, Timor-Leste, and Cambodia. The ASCLs earned 129 ranking points from their 3-1 victory over Pakistan in the last day of the Peace Cup. A win that's one for the books as they called back from a 0-1 deficit and secured the needed 2-goal margin to claim the title. Okay then, that's my news about the handsome ASCLs. And before I end, I wish to share some of the tips I learned on what to do before an earthquake. Well, since most of the news right now is about what happened to Bohol and Cebu. So here we go. Make sure you have a fire extinguisher, a first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Learn first aid. Learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Make up a plan of where to meet your family after an earthquake. Don't leave heavy objects on shelves. Anchor heavy furniture, cupboards, and appliances to the floor or walls. Learn the earthquake plan at your school or workplace. Alright, sports fans, my time is up. I have to go and check on our home, just to be on the safe side. See you around next week for another Scoreboard session. Take care, bye!